So today I thought, why don't I share with you guys my hair care routine? And a bit of a disclaimer, my hair is currently going through an identity crisis because I got keratin done last year on my hair. So it's wearing off now, and as you can see, like this part of my hair is kind of wavy, kind of frizzy, I don't know. And like the ends of my hair are straight because they still have the treatment on them. But plus I have like high porosity, naturally like wavy hair. So yeah. So before getting into the products, I want to give like the honorable mention to these two hair tools that I have been using. First of all, this bamboo hairbrush, love it. Literally the key for healthy and long hair. It's better to start combing your hair from the bottom. This helps with split ends, and it's really good for your scalp too because it's actually antifungal, and also some people say odor resistant. I don't use it on a daily basis. I don't know if it's odor resistant or not. But and the second thing we have with me is this scalp scrubber. I could go on and on and on about this thing. Number one, it's very, very, very affordable. Like you can get it anywhere on Shein, Amazon, or any like store at this point. It's so popular, and I've heard if you use it daily for 5 minutes, it's actually really helpful for like hair growth. Stimulates your scalp and helps in like blood flow. Personally for me, I wasn't using it for like hair growth and stuff. I was using it to prevent any dandruff that I could possibly have, because I know no one likes dandruff, and I think this actually helped my hair with even the little amount of dandruff I had or the product buildup I had. During my shower, when I'm shampooing my hair, I sometimes use this too, and it's really good if you have like long nails and you want to get into your scalp and wash that gunk, all that things that have been living under your scalp. If you want to wash that out, this is really helpful for that too. And a key tip, go slowly and gently. You don't need to be very aggressive with it. Use it like before oiling your hair. It will help your hair oil penetrate so much better. Usually with this, I go in 2 minutes before oiling my hair and 2 minutes after oiling. And now comes the time for the products. So first of all, we have Miss Oil. I know she's looking crusty, musty and dusty because when you have been using a product, this is how it looks like. So I've been using this oil for like around a month, and already my bottle is about to finish. Personally for me, I have had like this really up and down relationship with hair oiling. It's really helped me with my hair fall, because if I don't oil my hair after I got the keratin treatment, I started to lose a lot of hair. And for hair oiling, you can either just buy any hair oil on the market or be like me and mix like 2-3 oils. I recommend this brand called Now Solutions. They have really great oils, quite affordable and really great quality. So for this one specifically, I use 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of apricot oil. Then also this rosemary essential oil, and then I use like a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Whenever I just skip on my hair oil, I feel like when I shampoo my hair and come out, my hair are like really dry. Like you should definitely give hair oiling a try if you still haven't. It's literally gonna change the game and make your hair thick too. So I usually apply this hair oil on my scalp. Before applying the same oil on my lengths, I apply this Garnier Ultra Dox hair mask. And this was going quite viral on TikTok. It makes my hair feel really, really, really soft. So there are like 3 methods of using it. But personally, I use it as a hot oil bath. I oil my hair and then I spray some water. I take some of this and apply it to, and I've been using since last year. And as you can see, I've actually used quite some product, and it's quite affordable. And so I usually leave this on my hair for like 1 hour or a bit more. During this time, I just wrap my hair in a plastic bag. Another honorable mention, my cap. This is basically like a towel cap that I got. Just microwave it for like a minute. Helps penetrate that oil into my scalp. So after the 1 hour has passed, I go on with my shampoo. So I recently got this shampoo. This is the Perfect Serum Original Shampoo. This, not gonna lie, was not cheap, but you're getting around like 700 ml. So I used it for the first time yesterday. I just can't give you guys a proper review. But for now, the only statement that I can make is bro smells heavenly. Like this was really gentle on my hair. It didn't lather much, but I don't mind It's quite good for cleaning, you know, like build up on your hair. I do double shampoo. After like double shampooing my scalp, I feel like I never went back. You should also give it a try. Plus, if you're using oils and hair mask on your hair, double shampooing is a must. And after that, I go in with D&D Beauty, the gold premium treatment. I don't know why it's giving Urdu vibes. Like, it's nice on my hair. My hair hasn't felt bad with this. Obviously, I got it for a very cheap price. I'm not minding it because I got like 500 ml. I think the product is fake because, as you can see, the bottle is not what the usual bottle looks like. But if you know if this is the real deal, please do tell me. Just use like 4-finger length. Just crunch my hair up like this. I just leave it on for like however long I am in the shower. It did make my hair soft. It has a fragrance, but it's definitely not overpowering as this one. And after conditioner, another honorable mention of this, I just towel dry my hair. I just keep it in for like 40 minutes or 1 hour. Well, after that, I usually let my hair air dry for like 40 minutes. Another honorable mention, this aloe vera gel, which is in an Essence lash and brow gel mascara tube. Yeah, so I just use it on my baby hairs. If you can't see, I've actually grown out a lot, like these ones, and this just applied like till here, and bro works really good. After 40 minutes, then I usually go in with this Daria Momori hair serum. This is really good if you have like fine, thin and straight hair. Love the scent of it. It smells like peaches. I just use like 2 pumps. It does kind of hydrate my hair, make it soft. But other than that, I didn't notice anything with the frizz. Do please recommend me some hair serum options. I've used it for like a year. It's okay. I in my hair for like 20 minutes, and then I usually just go in with like a normal white tooth comb, which I just can't find for my video. That's it with my hair care.